Hello everyone, I'm Parham and welcome to an exciting exploration into the world of chemistry. In today's video, I want to introduce you to a visionary, a problem solver, and a guardian of our planet, the environmental chemist. Environmental chemists are scientific superheroes who strive to understand the complex relationship between chemicals and the earth. They are dedicated to uncovering the mysteries hidden within our air, water, soil, and everything in between. If you want to pursue this fascinating career, you need to take these specific courses: Advanced Functions, Biology, Calculus and Vectors, Chemistry, English, and Physics. You also typically need to earn a bachelor's degree in environmental chemistry or a related field such as chemistry, environmental science, or chemical engineering. Well, you might ask, what does an environmental chemist do? Environmental chemists often spend a significant amount of time in the laboratory conducting experiments to analyze environmental samples such as soil, water, or air. They may use various analytical techniques such as chromatography, spectroscopy, or mass spectrometry to identify and quantify pollutants or other chemicals constituents in the samples. In addition to analyzing samples in the lab, environmental chemists may also spend time in the field collecting samples. This may involve traveling to remote locations, using specialized equipment to collect samples, and following strict protocols to ensure that samples are collected in a way that preserves their integrity and accuracy. Once environmental samples have been analyzed, environmental chemists must interpret the data to draw conclusions about the environmental conditions or the potential impacts of pollutants. This may involve statistical analysis, data visualization, or modeling techniques to identify patterns or trends in the data. Environmental chemists often work as a part of a larger team, collaborating with other professionals such as environmental engineers, biologists, or geologists to address ecological issues. They may attend meetings, participate in conference calls, or work on joint projects to develop strategies for environmental remediations, pollution control, or sustainable practices. Environmental chemists are often responsible for communicating their findings to others, such as government agencies, private companies, or other stakeholders. This may involve writing technical reports that summarize the result of laboratory analysis, field sampling, or data analysis, and making recommendations for further action based on the findings. Environmental chemists also make roughly 60,000 Canadian dollars per year. Dr. Elizabeth Edwards is a Canadian scientist who has made significant contribution to the field of environmental chemistry. Dr. Edwards is a professor of chemical engineering and applied chemistry at the University of Toronto. She is known for her research on the biodegradation of pollutants in soil and groundwater. Edwards has developed innovative bioremediation techniques using naturally occurring microorganisms to break down toxic chemicals in contaminated soil and water, such as chlorinated solvents and petroleum hydrocarbons. Her research has led to the development of new technologies for cleaning up contaminated sites, which has important implications for protecting human health and the environment. Edwards has received numerous awards and honors for her contribution to environmental chemistry, including the Order of Canada, Canada's highest civilian honor, and the Keelan Prize in Engineering. She has also been elected as a Fellow of Royal Society of Canada, the Canadian Academy of Engineering, and the American Academy of Microbiology, among others. And this brings us to the end of this video, and like always, thank you for listening.